Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Loly in the Sky unboxing of the Hello Kitty collection. This is my first time ever buying Loly in the Sky shoes. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with it. This brand, they're made in Mexico. As you can tell, it's Mexico. Or made in Mexico right there. These are a collection that they made, and unfortunately they don't ship here to the States, so I had to pay a little extra and have somebody get them at their house, and anyways, so ship them to the States. So I just kind of want to show you guys what they look like and my thoughts. So this I ordered, there's 3 pairs of shoes in the collection. I did get every single pair, so I want to show you guys in case you guys are interested. I'm not sure if you guys are able to get them, or if somebody sells them here in the States that can ship them to you. So these are supposed to be made of, what my understanding, they're not supposed to be made of any animals, and it's supposed to be like plant material or something, not sure. But anyways, I want to show you guys. So my first impression, they're cute, but I'm kind of disappointed though. Like, so you can see, this looks like a sticker. This is cute, their brand, and then this looks kind of like a sticker. The bottom's just white. I do like this very much. Cute little bow, white shoelaces. I really like the inside. If you guys can see it. These came out last year, at the end of last year, and they had problems with my order, so I didn't get them till now. But so these are Mexican sizes, so they're a little different, but I really like the inside more than the outside on these, I'm gonna be honest, but they're still kind of cute. It's like kind of like subtle, not like too crazy. I do have like the Converse ones that I like, and Puma, so these are those. And if you guys like them, these are it. Just wanted to show you guys what they look like. Okay, this is the one I was more excited about, because in the pictures they look so cute. No, I don't know. So this looks like it's kind of printed on, but I really like the colors on them. So it says Hello Kitty in the back, and again, look at the inside, it's so cute. I like how the laces match the shoes, but look at the inside, is super cute. I love the detail on them, and I really like the tie-dye. Oh, look at the bottom. These are super cute. I really like these. These are like, I don't know the material. I can't explain the material. It said it was, like I said, it says it's made out of not leather and like plants and I don't know what. So, you guys know. So this is the second pair. It's really cute. So, comment down below which one's your favorite pair. Okay, let me see. This is the other one. These are actually very exciting because they're pink. And these are supposed to have Hello Kitty, like a little pig or something like that. Let's check them out. Oh, there it is. Again, it looks kind of like a sticker. I mean, it's not a sticker, but it kind of looks like a sticker. Hopefully it doesn't peel, but I like the detail. It says Loly and has their icon. Same thing, looks like a sticker. And the bottom, P.S. let's have fun. Oh, that's cute. And the laces, I don't know what material the laces are. They kind of feel weird. And then again, the inside has that cute pattern. I'm gonna try them out and let you guys know if they're actually comfortable or not. And if you guys already have pairs of them, let me know. After I got these, it turns out they actually have face masks too to match the shoes. but they came out afterwards, and I already had ordered these shoes, so I didn't want to go through the trouble again. Since it took me like 4 months to get these. I ordered them in October, and we're in January, so yeah, it took a while. But anyways, those are the pairs. And if you guys want me to do a Hello Kitty shoe collection, I can do it on my next video. Those are the 3 pairs, so you guys can see them. I do have a couple more Hello Kitty Converse and Pumas if you guys want to take a look and see them. I will link below the website where I bought them. It only ships to Latin America, but if you guys have somebody in Mexico, then you guys can get them. Yeah, till next time guys, bye.